Hello and welcome to Code Unknown. The video you're about to watch is designed to work just as well as a podcast. So if you're short on time, please feel free to listen in the background or save for later. I promise you won't miss a thing. They say it's about religion. They say it's about defending democracy, about stopping terrorism. They rally around their supporters by crying genocide, fascism, and tyranny. And just like that, people take to the streets, chanting slogans they didn't write. They demand their leaders pick a side. They beg their governments to send money, weapons, and troops. But what if every war they've ever supported was a con, a magic trick designed to make you look one way while they grab land, power, and money behind their backs? Let me tell you a story. It's a story as old as time. A leader rises not with truth, but with an enemy. A villain created to unify the masses through fear, hatred, and imagined righteousness. Not loyalty to the leader, no, that would wear thin. Instead, it's loyalty to the cause, to the fight, to the illusion. From kings and emperors to presidents and dictators, the method hasn't changed. Step 1, choose an enemy, make them dangerous, make them different. Step 2, repeat it until it becomes gospel. Step 3, sit back while ordinary people give their children, their taxes, their freedoms, all to defeat the monster you invented. In Nazi Germany, Jews were cast as the existential threat to the German people. Corrupt, powerful, and responsible for everything wrong. In the United States after 9/11, it was the axis of evil. Suddenly, nations that most Americans couldn't even find on a map became urgent enemies of freedom. But behind every chosen enemy lies something far more valuable than ideology. Land, oil, minerals, influence. The real reason.